Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike, sitting here in my rocker watching my LSU girls college basketball game. Let me pause that so we can talk. So it's been cold and rainy. Man, I ain't made a video in a month. Getting kind of lazy in my old age, I guess. So I'm sitting here in my rocker thinking, you know what? I got to get on JV's motor. So JV motor is, according to my list right here, JV's motor is restored number 164. It's a 1949 Johnson 2.5 horsepower HD 25. JV's there in California, and I got that motor all cleaned up. I got it all laid out. I got it all painted, all ready to go. I put that sucker together about a month ago and took it outside, and it started up right away, but the gas tank leaked. So I tried and tried to fix that gas tank. The fitting that goes on the gas tank right here, I guess when I tightened it, the fittings in, I tightened it too loose and it had a little leak, so I tried all kind of epoxy, JB weld. I tried fixing it 3 times and I couldn't. So I ordered another gas tank, a used one, and I think I'm gonna go outside. It's 50 degrees outside. I think I can handle that. I'll go outside. I'm gonna slip that on JV's motor and give her a pull rope and hope she starts on this cold February day up here on Toledo Bend Lake. So if everybody's ready, let's go outside and see if we can get her running. Here we go. Hey JV, I got the gas tank in and I got her swapped out and she runs. How about that? Moving on, gotta paint that tank now and get her ready to ship to you. Love what I do. enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson & Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T-Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.